Ready to speed up your career success? Let's get started. Start by setting clear goals. Know what you want and break it down into steps. Simple, right? Next, be a sponge. Learn from everyone around you. Read books, listen to podcasts, and ask questions. Information is power. Network like a pro. Build connections inside and outside your job. You never know who might help you land your next big opportunity. Stay organized. Use apps and tools to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Being on top of your game shows you're reliable. Take care of yourself. Eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep. A healthy body fuels a sharp mind. Finally, believe in yourself. Confidence is key. You've got what it takes to succeed. Keep pushing forward. Remember, career success is a journey. Enjoy every step of the way.